going to discuss 7 ways to create value with product design. Each of the 7 ways is a sub-discipline of product design and development that's capable of generating significant value and return across a number of key corporate, brand, and financial parameters. We'll open the program by going back to the earliest days of competing on design and cross the centuries until we land in the 1980s. Then we'll look at each of the 7 ways to create value. Some of the 7 ways, like DFMA, have older origins but are still highly relevant in today's economy. Some, like user interface design and industrial design, have really old origins but are experiencing rebirths. Some, like 3D printing, on the cusp now of additive manufacturing, have more recent origins and only now are coming of age. And some, like digital design and big data, are barely a decade old and are moving forward at lightning speed. The Plus section in today's program of the 767 Plus series will look at the next wave of drivers that are candidates to also create value with product design. We'll conclude the program by looking at 2 frameworks that portray how companies and industries may transform in the not-too-distant future. Most GGI presentations include a good amount of secondary research, where we research the primary research and publications of other experts. For all quotes and citations in our program today, you'll find a proper bibliographic reference directly below the blue line at the bottom of each page that contains quoted or cited material. I wish that you enjoy our program, and even more, that you put it to good use. Okay, let's dive in.